This is week 23's Kahoot about consequences. Question 1 says a person who breaks the law will get a blank consequence. So a person who breaks the law will get a wrong consequence for the triangle in red, or a person who breaks the law will get a negative consequence for the diamond in blue, or a person who breaks the law will get a positive consequence for the circle in yellow. Finally, a person who breaks the law will get a 16 consequence. Our actions have blank. So our actions have consequences for the triangle in red, or our actions have countries for the diamond in blue, or our actions have problems for the circle in yellow. We make blank choices when we follow rules and laws. So we make bad choices when we follow rules and laws for the triangle in red, or we make good choices when we follow the rules and laws for the diamond in blue, or we make no choices when we follow rules and laws for the circle in yellow. An adult who has authority has blank on that authority. So an adult who has authority has absolute on that authority for the triangle in red, or an adult who has authority has limits on their authority for the diamond in blue, or an adult who has authority has power on that authority for the circle in yellow. A blank has the authority to set the punishment for breaking the law. So setting the punishment. So a crossing guard has the authority to set the punishment for breaking a law for the triangle in red, or a judge has the authority to set the punishment for breaking the law for the diamond in blue, or a police officer has the authority to set the punishment for breaking a law. Similar question, a blank has the authority to give a driver a speeding ticket. So who has that authority? Is it a crossing guard has the authority to give a driver a speeding ticket for the triangle in red, or a judge has the authority to give a driver a speeding ticket for the diamond in blue, or a police officer has the authority to give a driver a speeding ticket. Consequences can be blank or negative. So consequences can be fun or negative for the triangle in red, or consequences can be negative or negative for the triangle in blue, diamond in blue, or consequences can be positive or negative for the circle in yellow. Some adults have the blank to make us obey rules and laws. So some adults have the authority to make us obey rules and laws for the triangle in red, or some adults have the force to make us obey rules and laws for the diamond in blue, or some adults have the meanness to make us obey rules and laws. So obeying rules and laws. Very last one, good job. What is an example of a negative consequence? Is a negative consequence getting ice cream for the triangle in red, or is a negative consequence getting a traffic ticket for the diamond in blue, or is a negative consequence getting a toy for the circle in yellow? And you're all done.